Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Home Fitness Fusion. Today we're on day 4 of our challenge to get 6-pack abs for men at home for beginners. And my name is Declan, and we're going to start off as we normally do with a quick warm up. So we'll start off with jogging on the spot. Now we're going to do some jumping jacks. Going to do a few arm circles, just easy movements, forward and back motions, just to loosen up the shoulders and the chest. Side to side twist. Just twist from one side to the next, hold it for a second, and then go to the other side. Right. Now we're going to do our squats. Legs shoulder width apart, feet pointed outward, and imagine you're sitting into your favorite chair. And try and keep your core tight and engaged. Now going to do a few chest stretches. So bring the arm out to the front and with the other arm hold at the elbow and bring it across your chest. Wait for a second or two and then alternate with the other arm. Okay, let's do this. First exercise up is going to be our crunches. You have done this before, but lie on your back with your knees bent, and you're going to keep your feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your head and lift your shoulders off the ground, engaging your core. Now remember to breathe out as you crunch up and in as you lower down. Aim for 10 to 12 of these. Take a second or two to catch our breath. Now again to exercise number 3. Now our next exercise is going to be the plank. So we're going to get into a push-up position. We'll keep your body in a straight line from head to toe. Hold this position and keep your core and glutes tight. Alrighty. Now the next exercise on our list is our bicycle pushes. So we're going to lie on our back and just get into an imaginary bicycle motion, bringing one knee to the chest and alternating back and forth. Exercise number 4. We're going to do our leg raise. So lying flat on the ground, and bring your legs up a little bit off the floor and alternate both legs. Bend the knee if you have to, slightly bend. And just do a few of these. Try and keep your core tight and you're engaged. Alright, well done guys. How are we all doing? Now, let's get into exercise number 5. You notice what I'm going to do is now we're doing the Russian twists. Okay, so this one again, you're going to sit on the floor with your knees bent, and your feet are lifted off the floor. You're going to lean back slightly and twist your torso to touch the floor beside you, alternating sides. Use a weight like I'm doing right now to add a little bit of stability and also increase the intensity of it. Okay. Now, the next exercise is going to be mountain climbers. So we're going to get into a high plank position, and you're going to mimic a running position, and you're going to run as fast as you can, alternating each leg. Okay. And our final exercise is going to be our leg flutters. So again, lying flat on the ground and stretch out your legs out in front of you. Put your hands under your buttocks and just lift your legs slightly off the floor, and then just do a flutter motion. Just alternate between these legs. And that's it, guys. Well done. How did you do at home? Well done. That's our workout done. We're going to our cool down now. And we're just going to do a few light arm circles just to release any tension in the chest or arms, shoulders. Now we're going to do our chest openers again. You know, these just hold one arm with the other arm around the elbow and just bring it across your chest. Hold it for a second or two, then alternate to the other arm. This will help with the shoulder and the chest. Now we're going to do a side-to-side stretch. Same with the opposite leg. You've done these before. Touch our toes, just reach for the sky or the ceiling and just bring yourself down to the floor and touch the floor as close to the floor as possible. Hold for a second or two, then come back up. Do a few of these just to have stretch and give an overall stretch. A few leg stretches. And guys, that's it. Well done. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on video number 5. My name is Declan. This is Home Fitness Fusion. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you real soon. Bye for now.